Hello students, we are learning exercise 5.2 and in that question is find the HCF using prime factors. We completed first 4 sums. Now fifth sum I am solving here. Using prime factorization we have to find the highest common factor of given numbers. So first of all we will find the factors of 25, 30 and 45. So let I find over here using prime factorization. 25 is a prime number, it is an odd number, that's why it is not divisible by 2. It is also not divisible by 3. That's why I will go with 5 directly. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So that's all about 25. Now we will find the factors of 30 is even number, so it is divisible by 2, hence we will use 2 only. 15. Then after 15 is odd, so we will go for 3. Which 3s are 15? 3 5s are and 5 1s are 5. Here lastly 1 came. So factorization over. છેલ્લે 1 આવી જાય એટલે factors પૂરા થઈ જાય. Now 45. So same process we will do for 45. Now 45 is an odd number, but this number is divisible by 3. 3 થી divisible છે તો directly અને કેવી રીતે ખબર પડશે? Divisibility. 5 that is a 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So these 3s are 45. 15 3s are 3 5s are 5 1s are 5. So here we have all the factors of given numbers. Now let me write the factors like this: 25, 30 and 45. Which are the factors of 25? 5 into 5. Factors of 30? 2 into 3 into 5. These factors we have to write. Okay, and 45? 3 into 3 into 5. Now what we are finding? HCF, highest common factor, is equal to. Now find out the common factors. 5, 5 and 5. So 5 is common. 5 સિવાય બીજું કંઈ common નથી. 2 છે તો એ ખાલી 30 માં જ આવે છે. It is not coming in 25 and 45. If you will take 3, then 3 is 30 and 45. But it is not coming in 25. 2 પાસે છે પણ 3rd પાસે નથી. So we will not take 3 also. So only this number 5 is common. So what will be the HCF? 5. Highest common factor is 5. Next question 6. What is the question? 72 and 96. Same process we have to repeat. 72 and 96. Find the factors of 72. 72. So we will divide it with 2. Which 2s are? 2s are 72. Now which 2s are 36? 18. Which 2s are 18? 9. Now 9 is what? 9 is odd number. So it is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now 96. Which 2s are? 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. 48 2s are 96. Which 2s are 48? 24. Then after 12 2s are 24. 6 2s are 12. 2 3s are and finally 3 1s are 3. Tables नहीं आवड़ता होय तो factors नहीं आवड़े. So tables are most important for this chapter. Now let me write the factors here: 72 and 96. The factors of 72: 2 2 2. 3 times 3 3 2 times. 3 times 2, 2 times 3. So let me write 3 times 2 and 2 times 3. And what about 96? How many times 2 is coming? 5 times. So 5 times 2 and 1 times 3. Now let me find the common factors. 2 is common. Second time 2 is common. Third time also 2 is common. But in fourth time now 2 is not coming in 72. So now we go for 3. So this 3 is common. Atlu common છે. So that will be our HCF 2, 2, 2 and 3. 2 into 2 into 2, 3. So what it will be? 2 to the 4 to the 8 and 8 3s are 24. So HCF of 72 and 96 will be 24. Okay, now 50 and 75. The question is 50 and 75. The answer is very easy. Answer 25 also. Why? Because both are coming in 25 table. 25 2s are 50 and 25 3s are 75. But let me do it with method 50. Even number. So go with 2. Which 2s are? 25. Now 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Then 25 is divisible by 3. Let me check. 7 plus 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. 3. 5 1s are. So write the factors of 50 and 75. 5 into 5. For this, 3 into 5 into 5. So what is common over here? This 5 and this 5. I told you answer is 25. Highest common factor is 5 into 5. That will be 25. So HCF is equals to 25. Okay. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is 84 and 108. Same process, both are even numbers. So we will find the factors with 2 only. 42. 2s are 84. Then after 21 2s are 42. Now 21 is odd and it is divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. Now go for 108. It is 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. 54 2s are 108. Now again 54 is divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. 27 2s are 54. Now 27 is odd number divisible by 3. 9 3s are. Then after 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. We got the factors. Now let me write the factors here. 84 and 108. What about 84? 2 times 2, 1 times 3, 1 times 7. What about 108? 2 times 2, 3 times 3. Okay, so common factors. 2 is common, 2 is common. 1 3 is common, now nothing is common. So what will be the HCF? 2 into 2 into 3, that will be 12. So finally HCF is equals to 12. So here our exercise 5.2 over. Now we'll go for exercise 5.3 and in that we will learn LCM. Okay? See, as I told you before, the full form of LCM is what? Least common multiple. L stands for least, C stands for common, and M stands for multiple. Okay, multiple, I already explained what is multiple, right? Now least, it means lowest. You can write both, lowest common multiple also, or you can write least common multiple also. Now least and lowest means સૌથી નાનું, common એટલે બધા પાસે હોય એવું, and multiple means you have to speak the table. If I talk about 3, then which are the multiples of 3? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So 3, 6, 9, 12, all these are multiples of 3. Okay? So એ બધા multiples માંથી સૌથી નાનો હોય એવો common multiple, that means least common multiple. Let I take one example, 6 and 8. મારે 6 અને 8 નું LCM find કરવું છે. Okay? So for that, what I will do? I will write all the multiples of 6 and 8 first. 6 na multiple. It will go up to infinite. So many multiples, so many non infinite multiples will come. But actually it is the table only. 6 ones are 6, 2s are 12, 3s are 18, 4s are 24, 5s are 30, like that. હવે 8 નું ટેબલ લખીએ. And so on. Okay? Now all these are the multiples. These are the multiples of 6 and these are the multiples of 8. Multiples મળી ગયા. હવે common multiples આપણે find. So if you will see, 4 is coming in both. Then after, જો આપણે અહીંયા 6 ના multiples આગળ લખીએ, like this. Okay? અને 8 ના લખીએ. So if you will see, 48 is also coming, which is common in both. બરાબર? તો એવા ઘણા બધા common multiples મળશે. શરૂઆત થાય છે 24 થી. 24, then after 48 is common. 48 પછી કયો common આવશે? After 66, what will come? 12, 72. So 72 is also common. 72 also common છે. બરાબર? તો આ બધા common multiples થયા. આમાંથી સૌથી નાનો multiple કયો છે કે જે બંને પાસે છે? That is here, 24. Okay? So we got the answer LCM of 6 and 8 is equal to 24. 6 and 8 no LCM આપણને મળી ગયો 24. Clear? Now next example, 10 and 12. So let me write all the multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and so on. Now go for 12. And so on. Now we have to find the common multiples of 10 and 12. So if you will see, 10 not common, 20 આમાં નથી આવતું, 30 is also not here, 40, 50. See this, 60 is common. After 60, which multiple will come which is common? So અહીંયા 112 પછી 10 પછી આવશે 120. So 120 common, right? હજી આગળ જાશો એટલે ઘણા બધા મળશે. આપણે ખાલી લીસ્ટ અને કયો મળી ગયો આપણને 60. So what is the answer of this? LCM of 10 and 12 is equal to 6060. Now what is the problem with this method? Problem is If you know the tables, then only you can find the multiples. Clear? Now if I give you big number, suppose I'll give the number 72 and 112. Find the LCM of this. Now it will be difficult for us because we don't know the table of 72, we don't know the table of 112. How can we find the LCM? It will take too much time. પહેલા આપણે એનું ટેબલ પ્રિપેર કરવું પડે, પછી આપણે એનો આન્સર આપી શકીએ, right? So that's why this method is not a valid method to find LCM. આ રીતે પણ LCM મળે છે, પણ આ proper method નથી. Because every time we don't know the table of each and every number. So there must be another method. તો આની બી પણ એક method છે. It is like HCF માં જેવું કરતા હતા એવી જ રીતે પ્રાઇમ ફેક્ટર્સ ની મદદથી તમે LCM ફાઇન્ડ કરી શકો. So let I explain it here. Numbers of 6 અને 8. આપણે શું કરવાના? 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 8.
2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Okay, now write the factors. Here I am writing 6 and 8. Okay, which are the factors of 6? 2 and 3. What about 8? 2 into 2 into 2. તો હવે LCM માં શું કરવાનું થશે? જે કોમન છે એ એક જ વાર લખવાનું. HCF માં આપણે શું કરતા હતા? જે કોમન છે એને જ લેતા હતા, જે કોમન નથી એને નહોતા લેતા. હવે LCM માં જે કોમન નથી એ તો લેવાના જ છે અને જે કોમન છે એને એક વખત લેવાના. Get it? So that will give us the value of LCM. તો અહીંયા 2 છે એ કોમન છે, so that 2 we will write only once and remaining numbers we will write. આ બાકીનું બધું આખું લખવાનું 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, what is the answer? 2 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. See, we got the same answer, 24. So this method is quite easy for us. Okay, similarly you can go for 10 and 12 also. Let I explain it here. 10 and 12. So first of all we will find the factors of 10. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Then after it is 12. So 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 3. So which are the factors of 10? 2 and 5. Factors of 12. 2 into 2 into 3. So what we'll do? Common number we will write only once and remaining numbers as it is. So LCM of 10 and 12 will be 2 into. These two are written. And what about this? As it is. So 2 into 3 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 10 6s are 60. So we got the answer 60. Okay, so this method is easier. There is one more method which is easier than this. હજી આના કરતા પણ એક મેથડ વધારે ઈઝી છે. હવે આપણે એ જોઈએ. What method it is? શું કરવાનું છે? બંનેના ફેક્ટર્સ એક સાથે ફાઇન્ડ કરો. 6 અને 8. જે સેપરેટલી ફેક્ટર્સ ફાઇન્ડ કરો છો એની બદલે એક સાથે ફેક્ટર ફાઇન્ડ કરો. In this method directly you will get the answer. See, both the numbers are even, so we can divide it with 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Okay, now here 4 is even number but 3 is not even number. તો આપણે પેલા 4 ને 2 થી ડિવાઇડ કરી લઈએ અને 3 ત્યારે as it is રહેશે. So 2 2s are 4. In 2's table 3 will not come. So 3 જેમ છે એમ નીચે લખી નાખો as it is. Again go with 2. 2 1s are 2 and 3 as it is. Now 3. So 3 1s are 3. બંનેમાં 1 આવી જાય ત્યાં સુધી પ્રોસેસ કરવાની. Okay, so here we got the factors 2 2 2 and 3. Now multiply it. આનો મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન કરશો એટલે ડાયરેક્ટલી you will get the answer 24. Clear? So this method is more easier. સૌથી easy method છે આ. It will time saving also. Similarly આપણે 10 અને 12 નું જોઈએ. 10 12 એક સાથે ફેક્ટર ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના. બરાબર? So let I do it with 2. See, let I use different colors so that you can identify the answers. હું 2 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરું છું, સોરી ડિવાઇડ કરું છું 10 અને 12 ને. તો which 2s are 10, 5 2s are 2, 5s are 10. હવે 12 માં શું આવશે? which 2s are 12, 2 6 are 12, તો ત્યાં 6 આવી જાય. નેક્સ્ટ 5 અને 6 માંથી કયો નંબર 2 થી ડિવિઝિબલ છે? 6. જો છે તો 2 થી કરશું, નહીં હોય તો બીજો નંબર લેવાનો. આમાંથી 6 એવું છે કે જે હજી 2 થી ડિવિઝિબલ છે. ઇટ મીન્સ વી કેન ટેક 2 વન મોર ટાઈમ. હજી એકવાર 2 થી થઈ જશે, પણ 5 નું નહીં થાય બીકોઝ 5 ઇઝ નોટ કમિંગ ઇન 2's ટેબલ. તો 5 ને જેમ છે એમ જ રહેવા દો. ઇટ વિલ બી એઝ ઇટ ઇઝ. એન્ડ હિયર 2 3s are 6. ગોટ ઇટ? નાઉ વી હેવ 5 and 3. તો 3 છે એ કયા ટેબલમાં આવશે? Obviously 3 will come in the table of 3 only. તો હવે આપણે 3 યુઝ કરીએ. 3 1s are 3. અહીંયા 1 આવી ગયું. ઇટ મીન્સ કે આનું કામ પૂરું થઈ ગયું. ઓકે, હજી આપણી પાસે અહીંયા 1 નથી આવ્યું. હિયર 5 as it is. તો હવે હજી આપણે આ 5 નું કરવાનું છે. 5 કયા ટેબલમાં આવશે? 5 ના. તો 5 1s are 5. જો હવે બંને પાસે 1 આવી ગયું. It means factors over. Clear? So when you will multiply this, you will get the direct answer. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, and 12 5s are 60. We got the answer directly. Okay, so this is the method to find the LCM. In this video I explained you total 3 methods to find the LCM. Okay, first method table થી, which is also written over here, table બોલીને. Second method separately prime factors find કરો. And third method એક સાથે prime factor find કરો, and then you will get the LCM. You can do any method. Okay, so in the next video we will learn exercise. હજી આપણે exercise start નથી કરેલી. It was only about theory. In next period I will explain you the exercise. Thank you.